we are building a new parking lot for the Backhoe Airport in São Paulo. My favorite machine is Excavators. We have 12 from JCB, and also we are planning to buy more machines this year. The after-sales service is the most important for us because this is what supports us to keep working with the machine. We don't have machine stopped. So the dealer from JCB in São Paulo have helped us a lot to keep the machines always working. The live link is very important to us to see how the machine is working. We cannot stay all time on the construction site. So from the office we can see how the machine is working. It helps us a lot.